Exercise number 7.3, question number 4. A solid consisting of a right circular cone of height 12 cm and radius 6 cm standing on a hemisphere of radius 6 cm is placed upright in the right circular cylinder full of water such that it touches the bottom. Find the volume of the water displaced out of the cylinder if the radius of the cylinder is 6 cm and height is 18 cm. So this is the diagram this is given. So here also I am going to draw the diagram. This is the cylindrical portion. So here we have the conical section, that is hemisphere with cone. Right? The cylinder, the radius of the cylinder is given as this is 6 centimeter. The height of the cylinder is given as 18 centimeter. Now the solid consists of right circular cone of height is 12 centimeter. The cone of the height is, this height is 12 centimeter. Then the radius is 6 centimeter as it is. This radius is 6 centimeter, both the hemisphere and the cone. Now we want to find out what is the volume of water displacement. We know that when you keep full of water in some object, if you drop something heavier, that is any metals or anything, the particular water level will be come outside it. That is equal to the weight of the object, that is equal to the weight of that particular object. So the water displacement is equal to, here the volume of water displacement is equal to the volume of the cone and the volume of the hemisphere, this object. So here we have three objects. Let me take it as cylinder, cone, hemisphere. So the radius of the cylinder R is equal to 6 centimeter and height H is equal to 18 centimeter. The cone, the radius is 6 centimeter and height H is equal to 12 centimeter is given. The hemisphere, the radius R is equal to 6 centimeter. Right? Now we want to find out the volume of the water displacement. Volume of water displacement is equal to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere is the formula, right? Now the volume of the cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h plus volume of the hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now here pi is and r will be taken out commonly. Here I take 1 by 3 commonly outside. Pi r square is taken out commonly. 1 by 3 pi r square taken out commonly means here we have h. Here 1 by 3 is taken out commonly. Here we have 2. Pi r square is taken out, so we have 2r. Now substitute the values. So 1 by 3 pi value we know that 22 divided by 7. And the radius of the cone is 6 centimeter. Radius of the cone is 6 centimeter. So 6 square means 6 into 6. And then height of the cone is 12. Here we have used the volume of cone only. So we have to check the height of the cone. Height of the cone is 12 centimeter. So 12 plus 2 into radius of the hemisphere is also 6. 2 into 6. Now substitute this, we get the value. So 3 1s are 3 2s are, right? So 22 into 2 into 6 divided by 7 into 12 plus 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. Now multiple the numerator terms, divide by 7, we get 22 into 2 is 44. 44 into 6. 6 4s are 24, 4 into 2, 6 4s are 24 plus 2 is 264. 264 into 24. 4 4s are 16, 6 remainder 1. 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25, 5 remainder 2. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. And then 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 2 remainder 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1. We want to divide the term, that is 6. 3 3 6 is divided by 7. 7 9s are 63, remainder 0. Here we have 3. 3 is not able to divide, so put 0 and add another number, that is 36. 7 5s are 35, remainder is 1. Right? Add, put 1 point and add 1 0. 7 1s are 7 and then the remainder is 3. Add 0. 7 4s are 28 and then 2, we get that 6336 divided by 7 is 905.14 centimeter cube, because we are finding the volume. So 905.14 centimeter cube is the answer. Thank you, students.